In today's video, I'll be showing you how to add noise reduction to your audio in CapCut. If you are tired of background noise ruining your recordings, keep watching till the end. Let's get started. First, open up your CapCut on your PC and import your video or audio file. Let's import it and drag the video to the timeline like this. Now, on the right hand side, you will see an audio tab here. Click on it. Here you can find the audio editing options. Scroll down and you'll find a feature called noise reduction or reduce noise. You can see it right here. Turn it on. You can also enhance your voice by clicking on this enhance voice. As you can see, your voice has been enhanced. You can also normalize loudness by simply clicking on this. And that's it. You have just reduced your noise and enhanced your voice in your video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.